Creating an accounting dashboard in Excel was never so easy. With AI-powered features and add-ins, you can now sum up large data sets into attractive visuals in record time. Accounting dashboards are perfect for giving a snapshot of a company's key figures, enabling the management to make high-stake decisions. Let's look at Mark's case. He is a newly hired accountant at Top Talent Consultancy. Mark is tasked to make an accounting dashboard to sum up the financial health of the company. With little supervision, Mark must navigate through accounting documents to extract the most relevant information and prepare bullet points to present the dashboard in front of his boss. For this purpose, he needs the following documents: balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement. Let's open Top Talent's financial statements in Excel. Balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement. The process of making an accounting dashboard primarily involves 4 tasks. Number 1, identifying key ratios and figures. Number 2, calculating key ratios and figures. Number 3, visualizing the calculations. Number 4, and lastly, interpreting the results. Let's look at how Mark can use AI features to complete this task. Identifying key ratios and figures. First, he opens ChatGPT for a brainstorming session. He prompts ChatGPT to show accounting ratios which can help in assessing the financial health of Top Talent. He enters the prompt: top 10 ratios or figures for assessing financial health of a US consultancy firm, in the form of a downloadable table where first column is equal to ratio or figure title, second column is equal to formula, third column, what does it measure, fourth column, good benchmark. Notice that his prompt explicitly mentions company type, company's origin, desired output format, and even column names. This helps in narrowing the suggestions to industry-specific considerations while keeping the output in a format which is compatible with Excel. Remember, simplified prompts can lead to generic answers, expanding your work beyond what is required. Let's download this table. Open the file and copy the data into a new sheet in our original workbook. ChatGPT has proposed the key figures to consider during a financial assessment, as they can provide insights into trends, risks, and opportunities that might otherwise be overlooked. The proposed table includes liquidity ratios like current and quick ratios, profit margins, and gearing ratios, among many others. With a clear path ahead of him, Mark is all set to start the calculations. This shows how AI features assist in maintaining focus by outlining a work path, all while saving time. Calculating key ratios. For the second step, start entering values against each ratio according to the formula. Profitability metrics, liquidity ratios, and gearing. With the formula list in plain sight, it is easier and quicker to do the calculations. And now you calculate the values for 3 consecutive years for a wholesome analysis. Expand the formula. Once all the values are calculated, we will move to the next step. Data visualization is at the heart of an accounting dashboard. Many accountants, despite their expertise, find the process of selecting data ranges and identifying the appropriate chart type to be challenging. This is an area where AI can help. Once again, we will use ChatGPT to get the basic charts. For this, copy and paste the calculations into ChatGPT and issue the prompt. Generate the best suitable graphics for this. keeping in mind the trend across the years from 2022 to 2024. In response, we get a suggestion. Upon downloading, it turns out this is a PNG file. Well, we need an editable format which is compatible with Excel. We will refine our prompt again to generate a result which is compatible with Excel. Let's refine our prompt to address this issue. Let's open this file. This is exactly what we needed. It is important to understand that crafting an effective prompt requires continuous learning. Now that we have the graphs, it is time for a bit of editing. For this, align all the profitability metrics in one row at the top. Followed by the liquidity metrics. And at the bottom, the rest of the graphs. You can tweak the graphs to add more variety. For instance, Mark would like to show all the profitability metrics in one graph instead of 3 separate graphs. We can do that by expanding the data range. And selecting a bar chart for a better year-to-year comparison. Here are some more changes to perform in order to enhance the visual impact. Club the liquidity ratios in one graph. For a sleek look, here are some formatting tips. Remove all the borders. Select the same theme across the graphs. It is suggested to follow the color palette in your company's logo. Remove access titles. Use additional data to give more context. For example, here we have added a people graph showing the employee count. This adds more context to the return per employee graph. The dashboard is now ready. Number 4, interpreting data. Accounting dashboards are of little use without the right interpretation. In order to gain quick insights, Mark can use ChatGPT for Excel. ChatGPT Excel is a handy add-in which lets you extract information directly into the worksheet by using formulas. To download the add-in, open an Excel file. We will go back to the file where we made the dashboard. On the top menu, go to Add-ins. Click. Select ChatGPT for Excel. Click Add. Once the add-in is downloaded, you can issue commands to OpenAI directly. Let's see which commands we can give. Select a cell and type =AI. This will give you a drop-down of the tasks AI can do for you in this cell. This includes AI Ask, AI Choice, AI Extract, AI Fill, AI Format, AI List, AI Table, AI Translate. We will use AI Ask formula. Type =AI.ask, bracket start. Extract top 5 insights from this table in inverted commas. Now select the table range. Bracket close. Press enter. A busy sign will appear since AI takes a few seconds to analyze. Now we have the analysis. Before moving forward, click on the Wrap Text option from the top ribbon. To make room for the text insights, you can either merge cells or adjust the cell height. Notice that AI has identified trends and shared suggestions as well. For example, it has not only shown the current ratio trend, but has also pointed out a potential liquidity issue. Similarly, it can also report anomalies or potential reporting errors. Mark is happy with the way the dashboard looks. To make his analysis more precise, he asks AI for the way forward by posting a prompt about how the company can improve its financial health in the future. He types equals AI.ask 5 actions the company should do to improve financial health in 2025. Now select the table range. After a short analysis, AI suggests actionable steps which make the perfect discussion points for Mark's presentation. By leveraging these insights, Mark can delve deeper into potential strategies for enhancing the company's financial health. With the help of AI features, Mark has successfully identified trends and potential anomalies, made an accounting dashboard that is bound to impress, prepared for a conclusive discussion during the meeting.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.